Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the opening European wrap for today, Thursday, the 24th of March. Just gone through 10 o'clock now. We did get off to a pretty risk-averse start to the trading day at the European Open. That came after the resignation that we saw late yesterday evening of the Portuguese PM Socrates, who, as was highly speculated, handed in his resignation after his government proposals for austerity measures were shot down by the opposition members in Parliament. Elsewhere, we've had Moody's downgrade the Spanish banking system this morning, as was speculated in Spanish press overnight. We've also had LCH ClearNet upping the margin requirements for Irish bonds to 35%. Did initially put a lot of weight into the euro currency and a bid into Bund futures, which did spike higher at the open. However, as the sessions progressed and also as the US participants start to come in, we've seen a bit of an about turn in terms of the market sentiment, and equities are now trading in positive territory, which has pushed fixed income back to its lows. We have had now particular speculation. It's only a matter of time until Portugal enacts on the EU and IMF bailouts. Some of the speculation is that could be in the range of 50 to 100 billion, with some sources particularly indicating around the 80 billion mark. Given the fact that the EU summit is being held today and on Friday in Brussels, we'll keep a close eye on the wires for comments, particularly this afternoon. Elsewhere, another thing of note in terms of economic data was that from the UK, where retail sales for the month of February came out quite a bit weaker than expected. That did knock quite hard cable in the currencies, and sterling is trading weaker across the board. We've also had one of the rating agencies, Moody's, just looking at how close or tight that the UK has to follow its budget proposals in terms of keeping its AAA rating, has also weighed on the currency markets there for the pound. Looking forward in terms of the rest of the things to come, in terms of economic data from the US, we've got the weekly jobless numbers. We'll also be eyeing the latest reports for durable goods from the US. In terms of fixed income, with no supply from Europe, we'll be looking out for the US Treasury in a 2, 5 and 7-year note with funding announcement, and we'll have a tips auction from the US later in the day. That concludes the opening wrap. We'll have another update to the cash equity close this afternoon in Europe. So for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.